think I told you for $99, and then
them duplexes.
4 units.
Wow.
So my dad thought the same thing. He thinks it's just he trying to keep it away from his wife. So maybe one of his buddies or something like that acted as the buyer. Maybe took out a mortgage and they're still just splitting. Whatever. People do all kinds of things.
Mm-hmm. I ain't got no closet.
No.
This is different. Well, I guess you got if they want to share that one. But nah.
Yeah, I guess it's a closet, whatever that is.
This is different. So
I mean, it's easy to make it look clean.
Do anything with this or just leave it?
No, leave this shit. Just new paint.
So technically a 2-bed, right? I mean, either way, I mean, for the price point, even if it was a 2-bedroom, I still think you got some value there.
Oh, you definitely do. I mean, it's the area.
Absolutely.
Neighbors, people want to do better. So if you can fix this maybe for $20K, and even if you pay the 27, under 50, maybe get 65, 70, quick.
Or fix it up, put a runner in there, get the cash flow, refinance,
Yeah.
pull some equity out,
Yeah.
and give you something
That's
else.
why we wanted to do a cash deal on this one for sure.
Mm-hmm.
I keep forgetting. So this is the upstairs. Very, very small bedroom. Another small bedroom. Use one of the bigger ones, but it's not. So basically 3 rooms up here, but very small. Closet for them all. I think it's 25.
Oh yeah. I think that's a strong offer.
Cash, it's only $2,000 less.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because they already got it priced decently, because all the living space is dirty.
Got you. Cash?
Yeah.
All right.